This video guide will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Ghas. The reason why it is called Ghas is because this particular ransomware is able to damage the files and to encrypt them and to give them this special Ghas extension to these files. After the extension is added, it is not possible to use these files anymore. The ransomware encrypts these files and tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. You have just seen that we opened the files without any complications, but this is what happens after the ransomware attacks the files. So when you restart the computer infected by this ransomware, you soon will notice that the files have been damaged and it is not possible to open these files anymore. This is because the ransomware has added the special Ghas extension to all these files. So this is what happens after the ransomware attack. Customers realize that they cannot open their files because the special Ghas extension has been added to these files. Another problem is that removing this extension manually does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted by this particular ransomware. So we recommend you to first of all check the task manager of your computer. Look for any programs that are suspicious, any processes which are suspicious. Right click on them and end their task in order to stop the further file encryption. Speaking about removing this particular ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin carefully researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. You need to click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is extremely important for proper malware detection. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the program begins researching and investigating your computer. While the scanning is taking place, I want to emphasize your attention on the excellent feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You will be able to know the exact locations of these threats. And we recommend that you upgrade to Premium. This is the best way to remove ransomware or other malware and to protect your data from any further ransomware attacks.